It's alive. My TRS-80 Model 1 replica board using two OneROMs as 2364s with the level 2 ROM images 1.3. I've repaired the keyboard. There was a lot of corrosion and the power rails were a bit dodgy, so I've actually replaced those jumpers and I've resoldered the pull-up resistors, and now everything seems to be working really well. Okay, thanks everyone for their help. Now what I need to do is get the monitor working and get this back into its case, and then set up the external expansion drive, which also is the combo, which has the additional 32K of RAM. Okay, thanks Ian. It's a wonderful little device, and soon we'll be running some LDOS. Okay, cool. Catch you next time.